This is my first participation in GIFT. I'm very happy to be here. I credit the organizers for putting this event on the calendar despite, I'm sure, many challenges COVID related, and I also credit the organizers that we're trying to do this in person here. I'm looking forward to a really inspiring GIFT event today. So my name is Stefan Pflanz. I'm in my early 50s. I'm a scientist by training, and my background is immunology. For most of my career, I've worked in pharma R&D, approximately 20 years. And last year, I joined the Boehringer Ingelheim Venture Fund team. We're a global team with sub-teams in North America, in Europe, and in Asia. And as the name suggests, I guess we're the corporate venture arm of Boehringer Ingelheim Pharmaceuticals. Our mission is to make life science investments in the biopharmaceutical industry sector and in the digital health sector that can benefit the patients ultimately. We like to invest into promising new technology platforms, and we like to invest into areas where our parent company, Boehringer Ingelheim, may have interest in the future. So we consciously look for opportunities in spaces where Boehringer Ingelheim is not very active at the moment or not active at all at the moment, with the vision that potentially in the future Boehringer Ingelheim could acquire our portfolio companies to help our parent company start into new areas. However, as we all know, things change all the time, and it's sometimes not so easy to predict where the priorities will be for our parent companies in the future. So therefore, we look for promising opportunities that will really make a difference for the patients, because if that can be identified and successful investments be brought forward towards clinical assets, it'll be a value for the industry as a whole. And I think then it will be attractive for Boehringer Ingelheim, but also for our friends in the industry. So we currently have 4 prioritized areas for investments, 3 on the therapeutic side. On the therapeutic side, we prioritize oncology, regenerative medicine, and since fairly recently also opportunities in the infectious disease space, specifically antimicrobial resistance. In the digital health is the 4th component of our investment priorities. The Boehringer Ingelheim Venture Fund likes early investment opportunities. Our sweet spot is a seed, sometimes even pre-seed, and/or Series A. We are quite flexible with our models for investment. We can do relatively small convertible loans, maybe $250,000, but we can also do fairly large first money in with double-digit million. We have roughly 500 million under management in our fund currently, approximately 40 portfolio companies globally. And we're an evergreen fund, so we're not on the typical 10-year cycle. The proceeds from our exits come back to our fund and are reinvested. And maybe also importantly, while we are the corporate venture arm of Boehringer Ingelheim, we are firewalled from the research organization, which is an important component to many discussions that we have with prospective founders. So the conversations we have with these many academic investigators will not leak to the research organization of our company. It's purely a conversation between the venture fund team and the PI. I cannot comment too much right now because my GIFT experience on site has been less than 30 minutes. It has been a very positive experience so far. The communication leading up to this event was very helpful, very professional, very clear. And so far my first impressions here are also very positive. So I'm definitely looking forward to the afternoon and then to possible future events of similar structure.